Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue with Node.js having an issue with your system file path, and it reads that the npm is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing, you want to make sure that Node.js is installed on your computer. You could just search for Node.js. If it's not installed, you go on Google, search for it, get it directly from the main publisher, and then download it to your computer. Then you should be good to go. However, if you're having some sort of variable issue, you can try right-clicking on Node.js and select Open File Location. Just keep that open here for a moment, and then open up the search menu again and type in Advanced System Settings. Open that up, and then select the Environment Variables button. You want to select Path underneath System Variables and select the Edit button. Now go back to the Windows Explorer window here and just click on the top bar to highlight over the file path. Right click and copy, or Control C, whatever you prefer. And now select New, paste this in. You can do Control V or right click and paste, it's fine. Select OK, and then OK again. Now at this point, select OK, close out of everything, and then I honestly would suggest restarting your computer and then attempt to relaunch a command line window you were having the problem with, and you should not be experiencing that issue any longer. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.